Hey everyone, if you are tired to join a Google Meet and it keep dialing but never actually connects, in this video I'll show you how to fix it quickly. Often Google Meet may get stuck on dialing due to the internet issues, browser or glitches or app permission. First check your internet connection first of all. Then clear the cache and the cookies if the problem persists. If you go to the app setting, you can disable it or force stop it. Then on mobile, make sure the Google Meet app has microphone and camera permission enabled. Restarting your device can also resolve minor glitches. Make sure your Google Meet has permission of the microphone and camera. If not, simply allow it. After that, another trick is to turn off the VPNs or firewalls temporarily, as they sometimes block Google Meet from the connecting. Go to the setting and search for the firewall or VPN and make sure to turn it off. Finally, if all else fails, try joining via meeting link on a different device to see if the problem is device specific or not. And that's it. With these tips, your Google Meet should connect smoothly without getting stuck on dialing. If this helped, like, subscribe and hit the bell for more easy tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one.